Hey guys, so if any of you saw my Instagram post earlier, I said that we were home doing maintenance and I didn't have any work today. And although I don't have any real work, I did get a call from one of my neighbors saying he did need a load of 5/8 minus if I had time. And I was like, we absolutely have time. So now I'm in the truck, headed north, heading up to Martin Marietta to go get rock for the neighbor. And hopefully after that, I'll be done with work stuff and I can just hang out with the kids. This is the house right here on the right. They're putting in a retaining wall to level off their backyard. It's going to look really nice when it's done. I guess they're going to get going on it tomorrow, and they need the 5/8 minus to be the bedding below the retaining wall. In the meantime, as we drive up there, I wanted to tell you guys about a decision I made on Justin Sturgill's advice. So many of you guys also follow Justin and his trucking company. So I've asked him for some help on some things over the last few years, whether it be YouTube or drop axles on the Super Solo. And then now, how to get capital to expand your business. And he knows a lot about that. And he also knows a lot about getting started, from the first conception of basically owning your job to becoming a full business owner. So although I am a business owner, of course, but I just own my job now. And I do eventually want to get to a point where I don't just own my job, I have other ways of producing income and also other ways of spreading my knowledge. Being able to teach people how to do what I do and get them into trucks. The kids walking home, wanting the horn. Help people get into trucks. Something that is, it can be very difficult to get into a dump truck if you don't have experience. But anyway, so back to what I was talking about. I called Justin for pointers on how to build a business. And when I first started, I took a pointer from someone else, and I took this as, good information, not knowing for sure if it was or not. But they suggested that I get my bank account at Wells Fargo because they have lots of branches and a lot of bigger companies use Wells Fargo. And that way, when you deposit a check from a company that uses Wells Fargo, you get, you get your money instantly. So, and in a startup, that is really important. Cash flow is a huge thing. So I did listen to that advice, and that's what I did. Fast forward 6 months later, I feel like just a number at Wells Fargo, and that's fine. They're a big company, and that's just how it works. But Justin told me that in his experience, local banks are better to deal with because you have a person or multiple people that know your business and know your accounts well, and when there's a problem, they can intervene or they can help you out, or when it does come time to try to get loans for equipment, they can help you navigate the process. So I took his advice and I started doing some research on some local banks, and I'm not a big bank person. I've always banked with credit unions, and so picking a bank was kind of difficult because I've never done it before. But I did come across a local bank, and so far their service has been amazing. I called them and I left a message with their business department. It was Coastal Bank, and I called and left a message with their business department, and I got a text back after hours that said, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed your message. I just got it. I can call you right now," it was Friday night or Saturday morning, I can't remember. Or I can, I can call you first thing Monday morning. And I said, "Don't worry about it. Call me first thing Monday. It's no big deal. I don't want to interrupt anybody's weekend." And so on Monday last week, I was able to get get set up with Coastal. And the way that they treated me when I came in to set up my accounts, and then, you know, since then, because the whole process of changing banks for a business takes 4 to 8 weeks, you know, to fully change everything over. And just the customer service was amazing. They were training a younger kid on how to set up business bank accounts. And that was actually kind of refreshing because of how I feel about, you know, training people to do jobs and that kind of stuff. He was like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'm new." And I was like, "Hey, don't worry about it. Like, I'm here learning just as you are." So it was pretty great. But anyways, and then they invited me to a mastermind group that meets once every 3 months, and it's all contractors. And I was able to go to that. I moved my schedule around so that I could make it. And this group, the things they talked about and the struggles that they deal with, and, you know, positive thoughts and giving pointers to start out, it was amazing. I felt like I was actually doing something with my business in that, you know, that 1 hour that I spent there doing that. And I learned a lot. And I can't even tell you how grateful I am to have switched banks, and also to all of the people that I've been able to go to, like Justin or like Melissa from the bank. You know, being able to sit down with a group of people that are doing the same thing that you're doing. They may be in a different trade, but they are trying to build the same types of things that I'm looking to do. You know, training people how to do a job and uplifting people from our own community and that kind of stuff. It was really enlightening, and it made me feel like I was going somewhere. So I'm definitely going to keep going to that. It's once every 3 months, so, you know, I can take a couple hours out of traffic coming the opposite way because we're gonna have to grab that opposite lane because we're gonna need to back up by this little hoe. Easy enough. Said he wanted it right by the little hoe, so that's what we're gonna do. That was quick and easy. About an hour for the whole thing. Oh, I didn't turn the PTO off. And then we just go home. A couple blocks back home and done for the day. All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate you guys watching and supporting me on this journey. It's been a wild ride the last 2.5 years with YouTube and my job, and now starting my own trucking company. And you guys have been great and super supportive, and I really appreciate it. If you guys haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.